Look at this little gem. This is Fremont Knoll. It might not look like much compared to Factory Butte, just a half-mile south, but it's got its own kind of magic, like the landscape you might expect on a faraway planet. Notice the dark gray color. It's such a contrast to the golden hues you'll see on the much larger formation of Factory Butte just behind it. You don't see this kind of color difference too often in this part of the desert. Fremont Knoll rises only about 100 feet, but its unique color makes it stand out in this stark landscape. Now let's take a closer look at the real star of this show, Factory Butte. Now we're heading toward Factory Butte, towering over 1,500 feet above the San Rafael Desert floor. Even from a distance, you can see how imposing it is. This formation maintains a commanding presence out here in southern Utah, rising from the flat, barren landscape like something from another world. It's not just about the height, it's the sharp, striking lines and rugged ridges that give it that iconic shape. As we make our way up, take a moment to appreciate just how massive this rock formation really is. You can see all the erosion patterns carved into the sides, evidence of thousands of years of wind and rain shaping it into what it is today. The climb is steep, but once we reach the top, the view is something extraordinary. Now we're at the top of Factory Butte. Not many get to see this perspective. From up here, you can really take in the vastness of the San Rafael Desert. To the west, the distant capital Reef looms, and off to the south, you've got the Henry Mountains. The Badlands below spread out in every direction, endless ridges and gullies, all part of the Upper Blue Hills Formation. Factory Butte is the crown jewel of this area, standing as a sentinel over the gray Badlands that stretch out beneath it. The ground below is almost completely barren, hardly a plant in sight. It's a place that feels untouched, like time forgot it. It's quiet, desolate, but in this solitude you find something really beautiful. You can see why people come from all over the world to experience this special place. Looking down from above, the flat top of the butte is surprising. It's not what you expect after seeing the sharp, jagged slopes. Up here, it's a different world. You've got this plateau with a view that stretches for miles. To the north, you can spot the San Rafael Swell, and to the east, the wide open expanse of the San Rafael Desert. It's all part of this incredible landscape that's so uniquely southern Utah. As we look down, just take in how the golden sandstone of Factory Butte contrasts with the deep grays of the Badlands below. This place, known as the Upper Blue Hills, is a study in contrasts, color, texture, and scale. The way the land shifts from mudflats to those undulating Badlands and then to the towering buttes, it's truly a landscape that never stops surprising you. So there you have it, Factory Butte, standing tall in the heart of southern Utah. From its base to its peak, it's a formation that tells a story of time, weather, and the raw beauty of this desert. There's nowhere else quite like it. Whether you're on foot or flying above like we are today, this place has a way of leaving a mark on you. Thanks for coming along with me on this drone tour of Factory Butte. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more incredible landscapes and adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, and I'll see you on my next adventure.